Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math on Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 8 to the power of 9 minus 8 to the power of 8 is equals to what? So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first we rewrite this expression as this is 8 to the power of 9. We write it as 8 to the power of 8 plus 1 minus this is 8 to the power of 8. And now further in the next step, we use here the nice exponential rule. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So according to this rule of exponent, we break the exponent of this term, and it will becomes a to the power of a times a to the power of 1 minus 8 to the power of 8. And further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve 8 to the power of 8, and we get the remaining values are from here we get 8 minus, from here we get 1 only. And now further in the next step, we know about that 8 is equals to 2 cubed. 8 is equals to 2 cubed and its whole power is 8 into this 8 minus 1 becomes here 7. And now here we use another exponential rule and we multiply both of these two exponents, and we get 2 to the power of 3 times 8 becomes 24 times of 7. So here in the next step, we break the exponent 24 and we write it as 2 to the power of 10 plus 10 plus 4. We know that 10 plus 10 becomes 20 and 20 plus 4 becomes here 24, and it is multiplied by 7. So here we use another exponential rule, and according to that we again break all these exponents and we write it as 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 4 times of 7. So here we need to multiply all these bigger numbers without using the calculator. So I hope so you like this method. And now here, so here you very well know about that 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024 is multiplied by this 2 to the power of 10 is also equals to 1024, and 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16 times of 7. So here we multiply all these values, and first we multiply these two bigger numbers, and for this we first break this value 1024 and we write it as 1000 plus 24, and it is multiplied by 1024 times of 16 times of 7. So here we multiply this number separately on each of these values, and when we multiply this number with 1000 it will be written as 1024, and we just write these three zeros here, plus we multiply this number with these numbers and we get here we have this is 4 times 4 becomes 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 4 zeros are 0, and 4 ones are 4. So here first we multiply 24 with this 1024 and we write it here. This will becomes 24 times of 1024, and it is multiplied by 16 times of 7. Okay, so here we combine these values and first we simplify these terms and we get here a resulting answer is multiplied by these terms. So we have this is a 1024 and 000 plus. Here we break this 24 as we break this 1024 as again 1000 plus 24, and we multiply this number with this 24. Okay, so here we have, so here we multiply 16 times of 7 becomes here 112. And now we have this is 1024 and 000 plus we multiply 24 with this value and we get here 24,000 plus. Now we multiply 24 with this 24 and we get, so 24 times 24 becomes here 576, and now we need to sum up all these values and its resulting answer is multiplied by 112. So now we add these values, and you see that we have 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes 6. This 0 plus 0 plus 7 becomes 7. This 0 plus 0 plus 5 becomes 5. And 4 plus 4 becomes 8. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. And at the last we get these two zeros. And here we need to multiply this bigger number with the 112. And now we break this 112 as 100 plus 10 plus 2. And now we again multiply this bigger number separately on each of these values, and we get, when we multiply this number with 100, we get 1048576 and double zero. When we multiply this number with 10, we get 1048576, and we just write this 10 here. And when we multiply this number with 2, we will obtain 2 6 are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are 2. So after multiplication we get this value, and now here further in the next step we need to sum up all of these values in order to get our final answer. So we need to sum up these values, and we get 0 plus 0 plus 2 becomes 2, and 0 plus 6 becomes 6. 6 plus 5 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. So 6 plus 7 becomes 13. 13 plus 1 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So 7 plus 5 becomes 12. 12 plus 7 becomes 19. 19 plus 1 becomes 20. We write 0 and carry 2. So 5 plus 8 becomes 13. 13 plus 9 becomes 22. 22 plus 2 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. So we have 8 plus 4 becomes 12. 12 plus 0 becomes 12. 12 plus 2 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. So this 4 plus 0 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. And 0 plus 1 becomes here 1. And at the last we get here, this is our 1. So finally we have in the final step, these are the final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.